When I was 15, I didn't even have a driver's license. This is my first car. This is a 1940 Chevrolet Master Deluxe that was in the backyard of a neighbor of mine in Chicago. And I used to call it the gangster car. Used to love gangster cars. I said, one of these days I'm going to get me a gangster car. So I asked the fella if I could buy it from him. And he said, son, if you can get it running, you can have it. And I said, that's all I needed. Because I did have a decent mechanical aptitude even at 15. Didn't have a driver's license, but I did go to his backyard day after day after day during the summer, and eventually I got the car started. We actually had to take part of his fence down to get it out, and I drove it home, and it was a total piece of junk. But it ran, and it stopped, and it started, and my dad said, I don't care where you got it, but you need to get rid of it. But my mom stepped in, and she did the upholstery work. My dad and I did painting, and I drove that car to high school for 3 years. And it was on after that. I've never ever not owned an antique car since that day. And I've been building cars ever since. Dozens and dozens and dozens of classic cars. Anything from Corvettes to 57 Thunderbirds all the way to the Bel Airs and 57 Bonnevilles. The whole spectrum, Mustangs. But I've settled on the 57 T-Bird as my specialty. And that's all I'm going to do. It's just 57 T-Birds.